Yeah. Okay, so we have stopped here due to some problem with our bike. Okay, so finally we're in Lachen. It's almost around 5:30. We're checking to one hotel. We plan to move out from Gangtok at around 7, but then due to some problem we couldn't move out from there at 7. So we started moving out from Gangtok at around 9:30. So we reached here by 5:30. So now we're going to take some rest. After that we'll be going out to check out the surrounding area.